Welcome. In today's video, we'll learn how to make the most out of Discord's invite link feature by setting the maximum number of uses to just one. This simple adjustment, 3 doigts inside, helps you keep your server secure, limit access to specific people, and maintain better control over who joins. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your servers. Once you're in, look for the server you want to manage from your list on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, tap on your server's name at the top. You'll see a menu appear with several options related to server settings and management. From that menu, select the option that says Invite. This is where you can generate invite links for others to join your community. After tapping Invite, look toward the bottom of the screen and select Edit Invite Link. This step allows you to customize how your invite link works. Discord offers several options here, such as expiration time, temporary membership, and most importantly for us, the maximum number of uses. Now, focus on the section labeled Max Uses, tap on it, and you'll see different numbers you can choose from. To make the invite usable only once, select the number 1. This means that after one person uses this link to join your server, the link will automatically expire. No one else will be able to use it again, which keeps your invite private and controlled. Once you've selected your preferred setting, tap Generate New Link or Save, depending on your device.